Hello everyone, welcome again to Adobe Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you how to use this tool called Lasso Tool to remove an unwanted image or object from the main pic. So this is Lasso Tool. It's very important. It's going to enable us to select the object that we need to remove. So for this pic, we have someone we have somebody down there, and we need to remove this person here. So we're going to use Lasso Tool to select it. That's how I'm selecting it. Make sure you select the object like that. Then thereafter we move to edit. It is here, edit, then fill. Now we are going to choose here content anywhere. After choosing content anywhere, you click OK. When you click OK, then you Control D, then you deselect the image. So that's how you can remove an unwanted object or image from the main pic. Now we also going to use another tool which is called marquee tool and also this tool called patchtool. So the main purpose of patchtool is to sample one area to look like the other one. So we are going to sample, but before that we use a selection tool called marquee tool. It is here, rectangle marquee tool. This one will enable us to select the area where we want to sample. Now for example, we want to remove these spots here. And we want to sample it so that it may look like the other side. So we are going to select that particular area, then you go and select patch tool. After selecting patch tool, you will have to drag it to the place where you want that particular area to look like. So you're going to drag it like that. So you see the place, that hole or that spot is removed. That's how exactly you can use patch tool. You can still select these other spots, then we use patch tool, we draw over to the area where we want it to look like. That's how exactly you can do it repeatedly to remove any area or any spots and make it look like the other area where you want it to be like. So these tools are very important on Adobe Photoshop.